Subhanallah wa bihamdihi Subhanallahil Azim.
Do you want to know what is the zakat of the body? Who else can tell you the best thing? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the body zakat is fasting. Fast is the zakat for your body. Now, it is up to you that how clean and how strong is your fast so that your body should be cleaned properly and your body become stronger and healthy. Recently, a Japanese Nobel winner was given the award. For what purpose? He found the cause, that how to kill cancer cell. His research has indicated that if a person fasts 20 to 25 days in a year, then all the cancerous cell and all the defective bad parts in your body are killed by inside. So, dear brothers and sisters, we have a medical research showing that the fasting is helping the health of the body. And the Prophet ﷺ told us 1400 years ago that the fasting is the zakat of your body. What zakat does? It cleans the body and makes your body healthy. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa